Okay folks, today we got a really sharp truck. 2014 Ford F-150 lift kit, 35-inch tires. Got the step bars. It's an XLT, but it's loaded up. Got the leather. Power seat, steering wheel controls. Let's pop the hood. Got some tin on the windows. Texas edition. Got the towing package. You got the bed cover. .5. Everything looks sounds good here. Eco boost. Climb up in here and let's. Got the Microsoft Sync. Got the backup camera. Auxiliary USB. Steering wheel controls. Got that turn switch, 4-wheel drive. $154,000 miles. Also, on these videos, folks, sometimes it makes it look like the dash lights are flickering. They're not. It's just the way the light reflects off the camera. See, everything shifts out like it should. Got some mud tires on it. You can hear them roar. Drive smooth. Straight. That's it, folks. A couple more looks around the interior. Very sharp, nice, lifted Ford F-150. Well, that's it. If we can help you with anything, give us a call, 731-968-2812, or visit us online at snsautosale.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.